Hello and welcome back to our gardening series. Today we will be talking about how to grow cucumbers. Cucumbers are a great addition to any garden and can be used in a variety of dishes. So let's get started. The first thing you will need is a packet of cucumber seeds. You can find these at any gardening stores or online. Be sure to choose a variety that is well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Next, you will need to prepare your garden bed. Cucumbers prefer soil that is rich in nutrients and well drained. You can amend your soil with compost or other organic matter to improve its quality. Once your garden bed is prepared, it's time to plant your seeds. Cucumber seeds can be planted directly in the ground or started indoors and transplanted later. Be sure to follow the instructions on the seed packet for proper planting depth and spacing. After planting, be sure to water your cucumber plants regularly. Cucumbers need consistent moisture to thrive, so be sure not to let the soil dry out completely. As your cucumber plant grow, you may need to provide support to keep them upright. This can be done with a trellis or by tying the veins to stakes. Not only will this help keep the plants off the ground, but it can also help improve air circulation and reduce the risk of disease. Finally, it's time to harvest your cucumbers. Most varieties will be ready to pick in 50 to 70 days after planting. Be sure to harvest them when they are still small and tender for the best flavor. Thanks for watching.